Hey guys, CB here, back again with another video on the channel. I've been on this trading journey for a while now, and I figured I'd share it with you guys and see who else would be willing to join me on this journey too. Let's get right into it. Today, the market was a wild one, but if you were patient and prepared, you hopefully were able to make some money. The Nasdaq fell about 3% today, and ES fell about 2%. There wasn't too much critical news today. I think a lot of the volume today stemmed from it being a shorter week. Yesterday was Labor Day, so today ended up being the first real day of the trading week, and you can see it in the volume. We do have some critical data ahead, like jobs data on Thursday and Friday, so people could just be trying to front run and position for that data, which probably contributed to the sell-off. I'm going to go over everything I did today to catch part of the sell-off, and we're going to do what good traders always do: journal, take notes, and add it to the bag of tricks for the next time we see this setup appear. Now, diving right in, I always do a top-down analysis of the broader market to try to get a narrative of where the market might want to go. Where is my bias? Where is liquidity reaching, etc.? For me, I've been pretty bearish on Nasdaq in the short term, especially if you've been following what's going on with the expectations for rate cuts and the movement of the dollar. In my analysis, I've been looking for short setups. Not saying I won't take any long setups, but you do make your money quicker when you're shorting, and I love that, honestly. If you take a look at the dollar, you'll see it took out a low on the daily chart and then made a change in structure. That indicated to me that the dollar wants to go higher in the short term. And a higher dollar usually means lower prices for the indices. Now, I'm a Nasdaq fanboy, so I only really trade NQ. Even if I see a setup on ES, I'm 10 out of 10 not going to take it. Nasdaq just moves more and gives more opportunities to make more profit. Coming into this morning, as you can see, I have this line drawn out. Over the past couple of trading days, Nasdaq has failed multiple times to trade into and above this level. So in my analysis, I'm taking this into consideration. I'm seeing weakness. The next thing I'm looking for is how we trade around this level during the Asian session. The Asian session is often used to manipulate and prepare the market for the move during the New York session. Here in the Asian session, 9:30 p.m. to 4 a.m. EST, I see the lows being taken out and then a move to the high of the session. This is actually a trade you can take if you're up during this time. We see price make a run for the lows, and your target would be the highs of the session. That's about a 36-point move. One tip I'll give is that when trading a BOS, break of structure, look for the candle body to close above the level. That will save you from a lot of fake outs. So once price trades above that Asian high, we see it rapidly retrace. This indicates to me two things. One, the move for the Asian highs was a run on liquidity, and two, the bears have strength because we still couldn't reach the higher time frame area of liquidity. So now I'm definitely looking for shorts in the New York session. What I personally like to look for my entries are retracements back to critical session highs and lows. After we take out the Asian highs and break below its lows, on a higher time frame, we actually form an FVG, fair value gap, on the hourly chart. Inside my FVG, as price retraces, I want to see how we treat the Asian session low. If we're going to trade higher, we'll just trade right above it, but since we close below it and it coincides with our bearish hourly FVG, we look to enter here. After marking out our levels, I drop down to the lower time frames to look for my entry. I actually just enter on price hitting this line with a market order, and then my target is the lows from Friday. Now, since this is just a $50,000 Apex evaluation and I'm trading one contract, I only ride price down to about 364 and close. But on an actual PA account, I'd hold till profit and just move my stop loss. To me, this is one of those setups you need to make yourself familiar with, because many people will see price fall and try to find a reversal when, in reality, all you need to do is take what the market is giving you and follow the trend. In this case, the trend is your friend, guys. With this trade, I've passed 15 Apex evaluations. I'm 5 away from my goal. I am kind of nervous because I've been hearing people are having issues with requesting payouts from Apex, but I haven't had any issues yet. So I hope once I start trading these PA accounts and request a payout, I'll be good to go. But you never know, guys, and that's why you stay vigilant. I'm going to keep working towards that 20 account Apex dream and try to do what every trader dreams of: quit their 9 to 5 to trade full time. I think it's possible, and if you want more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button to be a part of the community.